Okay, today I want to show you how to use my patented buck stitch needle in a Landis number 3, and it also will work in a Randall hook and awl machine, and possibly some of the other hook and awls, but I only recommend the Randall and the Landis number 3. So basically my needle will, here's the needle that I've made, and what we're doing is replacing the traditional chisels that you use in leather work that you drive with a hammer, and we'll put them in the machine, the needle in the machine, and it will make the same buck stitch holes but a lot faster. If you don't have a Landis 3, please check my other video which shows how to put it into a Cobra number 4 and other machines of the similar needle system, which is a 794. So the first thing you'll do is just get the top thread out of your way, and also take your bobbin out. It's relatively simple. You will, by means of this set screw, remove the needle that comes with the machine. These machines are old, and sometimes this set screw will not go in all the way. So before you put the needle in, the new needle, push that set screw in a little past what it normally is used to going, and then bring it back out, and that should let it take this buck stitch needle, because it's slightly smaller by about 20 thousandths of an inch. So put the needle in as far as it'll go and tighten it down. And then take your piece of the leather that you're going to use and just put one hole in there and see if it is in line the way you want it. And mine is. If it isn't, drive that down into the work. Then you can loosen this and you can turn that needle any way you want. We've had one customer that said he likes his on an angle, so you can also set it on an angle. So then when you run your needles through, it'll be on an angle. The other thing that we need to do is we need to remove the needle. So on the back, you guys know how to run your machine, but take the needle out, which I almost forgot to do, because it'll come through the hole and it probably won't hurt anything, but it's just not necessary to have it in there. You're going to want to set your stitch length pretty long. My machine, I have to loosen this screw, and we'll run it down to approximately a number 4, which is 4 stitches to the inch. I recommend running a piece of scrap underneath, as it helps you open the hole better. So let's just run some and see what happens. Okay, that's what it looks like when you run it on an angle. And then we'll switch it and make it run straight, for those that like it that way. As you see, you can run down fairly quickly a lot quicker than you can with a chisel. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for other updates on buck stitching and how to use this tool. Thank you.